I wanted to know. I said, I am a relic. Like this place, my tambourine. Good day,